Hi, first grade. For today's writing lesson, we are going to be learning how to write a conclusion for our reviews. We've talked all about how to write a catchy introduction and hook our readers in, and today's lesson is all about how to say goodbye to our readers and leave them with something to think about too. So, I made us a little poster that will help us remember the things we need to include when we are saying goodbye to our readers or writing a conclusion in our review writing. So when we're writing a conclusion and saying goodbye, we want to repeat our opinion. We want to name what our big reasons are and tell our readers to do something. That's what a review is, right? We're really trying to convince them to do something or at least feel the same way that we feel about something. My review is all about the dessert at S11 Dairy and why everyone should go there when they're wanting a tasty treat. So I am going to use our chart here to help write a conclusion for my review. Scoot this over. So what is this review about? It's how I feel about S11 Dairy because I think S11 Dairy is the best place to go for dessert. So that's what I'm going to write down. I think S11 Dairy is the best place for dessert. That's my opinion. I think S11 Dairy is the best place for dessert. So the second thing I want to do when I'm saying goodbye to my readers is I want to refresh their memory of what my big reasons are for feeling so strongly about S11 Dairy's dessert. They've got a ton of different flavors. They've got great outdoor seating for a lot of people, and they're open all day long. So that's the because for my review. I think S11 Dairy is the best place for dessert because the ice cream flavors are endless. You can seat your friends and your family outside. So I'm going to say you can seat a lot of people outside. Might be a great place to go for a birthday party even. And they're open all day long. Sorry about that, friends. And they are open all day long. The last thing you want to do when you're writing your conclusion, saying goodbye to your readers, is you want to tell them to go do something. Now, if I'm thinking about why I'm giving my opinion about S11 Dairy, it's because I think it's a great place for dessert, and basically everyone should just go there for dessert when they're wanting a tasty treat. So that's what I should tell my readers to do. Go there. Go to Edeline Dairy. Be just like if you chose to write about like your favorite toy being an LOL doll. You would want to tell your reader to play with an LOL doll, right? So it's kind of the same idea. Next time, you want dessert? Go to Edeline Dairy. Okay, writers. So this is your job today, okay? You are going to pull out your writing and you are going to write a conclusion and wrap everything up with a nice goodbye for your readers. I want you to repeat your opinion, I think. Give a review of your reasons because, and then really hook your reader in with telling them something to do. Telling them what you are wanting them to do to really try and convince them. You got this, friends.